Hello and welcome to Janky Cooking with Jessie. Today we are going to try to conquer my nemesis, the pineapple upside down cake. I have my mom over here assisting. I completely screwed up her last upside down cake and she also screwed up her last one. So today we're going with the Betty Crocker recipe online. It's classic. Let's cross our fingers. First, Mama, would you please add 1/4 cup of butter to the pan? We have preheated our oven to 350 degrees. So we're gonna get it in there. And then I'm gonna start working over here.
Over there is the pot holder.
Oh, pot holder would be a good idea. We're gonna need that later. Dropping things. It would not be me if I weren't dropping things. Okay, we are gonna start by adding a yellow cake mix. Last time Mom used a butter cake mix, that didn't work out well. You wanna take care of that, Mama?
Yep.
How about I have you put the ingredients in and then I can just film?
Okay, well, however you want to do it.
For now. Here we go.
Do we have our 1 cup? Is this 1 cup?
Yeah. Then we have 1 cup of pineapple juice that we are adding. This is just from our can of pineapple, and it said to supplement with water for whatever you need extra. Then we have...
Here's the water.
Oh, no, it's already in there, Mama.
Okay.
Then we have 3 cups of egg. Our
3
pineapple...
eggs.
Oh, you're right. It's 3 eggs. And 1/2 cup of canola oil. Our can of pineapple came up with about 3/4 cup of juice, so I had to add an extra little bit. Okay, we're going to start to mix this with the hand mixer, and we'll come back to you afterwards. As you guys can see, our butter is not quite melted, but Mama says if we just move it around a bit, it'll be fine. I tend to not...
Another minute.
Give it a little bit more time. As you can see, there's a bit of a mess here, but our batter's looking good. So we'll continue in just a moment. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, Mom's was just showing me all of her...
We have to put our brown sugar in next, don't we?
We do. She was just showing me all of her burns this week. So apparently I'm not the only janky cook in the family. This is our melted butter. We've also wiped it up the sides. And now Mom's going to add brown sugar to the bottom. The recipe calls for 1 cup of brown sugar.
Mom likes more.
Mom likes more for a 13 by 9. I think it's a lot though, isn't it? Oh, no, I guess not. And then she's going to decorate.
There's a few spots that just don't have any.
Do you want some more brown sugar?
I've got some right here.
Okay, I guess we're adding a little more than a cup.
Just to even out the pan.
Hopefully she won't touch the pan though. Don't forget, as you're doing this, your pan is 350 degrees hot.
I know.
So, let's everybody be careful.
Just trying to get the edges where it doesn't have any.
This is my mom's favorite cake. But let me tell you, I tried to make her one from scratch without the cake mix earlier this year, and it did not go over well. It was too dense, it wasn't fluffy enough, and it was too buttery. She ate 1 piece out of pity, and then she politely recommended that I take the leftovers home. So,
now,
this is supposed to be our redemption.
We're ready for our pineapple.
Okay, now we're going to add the pineapple. So you get double the pineapple with a pineapple upside down cake.
I probably would have put 2 cans of pineapple in here.
You would have put 2? Well, the recipe calls for 1 can.
I know, I like a lot.
She likes a lot of pineapple. I hated this cake growing up. I'm just going to say that up front. Something about the sweetness and the pineapple bothered me. We'll see how I like it now that I'm actually helping make it. Kind of like how they recommend with little kids. Have them help and maybe they'll enjoy eating it afterwards. Oh, what's she going to do? We only have 1 pineapple left. Okay, and then we have maraschino cherries. My kids hate maraschino cherries.
Do they really?
They really do.
I love maraschino cherries.
They're weirdos. I can't even give them a Shirley Temple.
Girl, my dad used to buy me Shirley Temple drinks. They have maraschino cherries in them. I just loved it.
There we go. That looks good, right?
Yep.
Okay, do you need more brown sugar or is this good?
This is good.
Okay.
I might add... I suppose I don't have to.
I don't think you have
I'll
to.
refrain myself.
I think it's enough sugar. Okay, do you want to put the batter in or do you want me to put the batter in?
I don't care.
Okay,
Which
I'll
way
let
do
you.
you want to do it?
You know, I'm not picky. It's not the craziest spatula, guys. It looks like there's a knife in there, but don't worry, my mom's not trying to kill our cake. I'll zoom you in a little bit. I always love how it looks when people move the batter across the pan. It's very relaxing. Please ignore the children's video in the background. I have no idea what's playing. Okay.
There we go.
Okay, we're gonna put this in the oven at 350 degrees for 42 to 48 minutes. When it's all finished, we'll come back and try to take it out of the pan. Wish us luck. Okay, it's time for the great unveiling. We've waited 5 minutes for all the caramel to drizzle. Mama's gonna give this a
Mama's gonna
go.
try and get her hand in there.
Do you want me to get you a spatula maybe?
No, I need a spatula. By golly, I do.
Let's see. Let's get the spatula under there.
This.
Yeah, there we go. Whoops.
Whoa.
Oh my goodness.
Very
Oh my
exciting.
goodness. This is... Pineapple upside down cake has to be one of the more nerve-wracking baking experiences. Oh. Voila! Check
That
it
is a
out.
pineapple upside down cake.
Okay, look at that, everybody.
Doesn't that look pretty?
That looks gorgeous. Okay, we're going to cut a slice, and I will put some notes on how it turned out for you. I'll put a link somewhere in the video that'll show you the address for the cake that we made. Thank you for watching today with me and my mom, making our first recipe together. Oops, I forgot I was wearing my mask. So thank you for watching with us, and have a great day. Remember, it may be a mess, it may look like a disaster, but as long as it tastes good, it's all